Hey man, check it out. Um, Sorry about the awful quality. I shouldn't even apologize anymore. I'm not capable of anything better. See another RBN skimmer on POTA.us. That's why I like my comment section because I receive an education there. For surely I'm ignorant. And I truly am, you know. If I were a shepherd, my sheep would remain forever unshorn. You know, if I were a blacksmith, I could neither make you sword nor shoe your beasts of burden. But what I can do is work POTA contacts. And this morning, these RBN skimmer. Now nice fellow commented and told me what's generating them. Come on, focus, phone, or I'll throw it. I'll throw the phone at the wall. I'm ready to. And so, okay, I understand that it could serve a purpose for people who can't self spot. But you know what happened this morning? And you're just going to have to look at stupid stuff again. And so this morning I worked a POTA activator, and I spotted him because it had been a handful of minutes. And in the text section, I typed 559 in MI hyphen TU. Okay? And boom, it was immediately replaced by an RBN report. I couldn't believe it. I just couldn't believe it. Here I am, a lowly human being, and was my signal report, was my spot not good enough for the, I was supplanted. I was replaced by a computer. I, a human being that sat here and worked the man. Is that RBN skimmer report more valuable than a human report? The system's broken. I understand why why it's happening, but that's a failure. And so, out of curiosity, you know what I did? As soon as that skimmer spotted over top of me, I spotted again. And I gave the same report, 599 in MI hyphen, and I'm a human being. And I spotted that. And you know what happened? Boom. Immediately, and I mean within 1 or 2 seconds, that spot of mine was replaced by another RBN skimmer report for that station, that activator. So I couldn't believe it. And so I respotted again. And I gave the same report and I said, leave me alone, RBN, I'm a human. It happened again, and I post spotted again. At that point, I was so pissed off, I wasn't going to stop until the RBN report stopped. This time I posted the same spot again, and I said, humans matter. And after that, the RBN report stopped on that activator. I couldn't believe it, man. Here's a thought for whomever programmed POTA.us. If a human spots an activator, leave it be for at least a few minutes. If I spot an activator and there are no further spots for 5 minutes or 3 minutes or X number of minutes, then fine. Let a skimmer, let a computer spot the dude. If you are sitting in the woods, freezing your ass off, You've been out there for an hour trying to get an antenna up in the trees. You want to do your first POTA activation. What's more, which would you rather know? That some guy up in Michigan can copy you nicely? Or would you rather know that some RBN skimmer in Philadelphia gave you a 32 dB? And maybe I don't know. I'm an older guy. Maybe you guys would prefer to see RBN skimmer reports over human reports that sat and actually worked the guy. Very disturbing trend of computers decimating ham radio in addition to doing wonderful things for it. I hope you're well. 73.